Hello, my greats. Hello, my grands. And hello to all my friends. Today I'm going to tell you a story about Grandie's dream. One day, Grandie came home from work and she was very tired, so she took a nap. And when she took a nap, she had a very strange dream. Grandie was nimble. Grandie was quick. Grandie jumped over a candlestick. Grandie was faster. Grandie was cool. Grandie jumped over a paddling pool. Then Grandie started to run faster. She was quicker. Grandie be fast. Grandie jumped over the ship's tall mast. And she started to run again. And she stopped running and she started to bounce. Grandie bounced higher. Grandie bounced far. Grandie jumps over the planets and the stars. And when Grandie landed, she started to run. But then she didn't know where she was. She was back at the start. She didn't know how she got there. But look, Grandie was still asleep. It was only a dream. And when Grandie woke up and thought about it, she started to laugh. How silly was Grandie's dream that she jumped over a candlestick, and she jumped over a pond, and she jumped over the stars and the moon. Grandie, you're silly. And that's the end of Grandie's story for this week. Bye, my friends. Bye, my greats, and bye, my grands. This is Grandie. Till next time, I love you.